Number 1. PUSAT 4x4 TUMOSAN. The PUSAT is a 4x4 armored personnel vehicle that can carry 9 people, along with the driver. The vehicle is furnished with mine-resistant crew seats in addition to modular armor and a mine protection kit. The majority of the parts, including the drivetrain, transmission, suspensions, and electronic parts, were created by TUMOSAN. The vehicle is powered by a TUMOSAN 5.3-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 250 horsepower and has a top speed of 110 km per hour. The transmission and independent suspension provide the vehicle optimal off-road performance, 70% gradability, 30% side slope, and 0.5-meter vertical obstacle. The PUSAT adjusts rear tire pressure in response to the terrain using independent suspension and a central tire inflation mechanism. The Dura 1300 AMT, an automatic gearbox system with 8 forward gears and 1 reverse gear via electro-hydraulic shifting, makes up its transmission system. Number 2. YAGU PLASAN. The PLASAN YAGU is a revolutionary ultralight tactical armored vehicle that was created by PLASAN to satisfy the needs of special operations forces and military forces around the world in asymmetric warfare. Superior all-around ballistic protection against 5.56mm and 7.62mm rounds is provided by PLASAN YAGU up to level B6+, which is similar to STANAG 4569 level 2 protection. A 1000 H2 V-twin SOHC 4-stroke 4-valve with EFI engine with electronic fuel injection powers the car. The engine's maximum power output is 951 cc when it is connected to an automated transmission with high-low gear shifts. YAGU maintains the majority of the Wildcat's original agility and mobility while providing a power-to-weight ratio of more than 53 horsepower per ton. Number 3. International Armored Group Guardian. With its high level of ballistic and blast resistance, superior handling, off-road capability, and compatibility with commercial parts, the IAG Guardian is an armored personnel carrier that requires little maintenance. In order to withstand incoming ballistic threats from any aspect, the Guardian has comprehensive vehicle armoring with approved ballistic material, encompassing the front, sides, back, roof, and floor. The unique lightweight armor kit is created to increase mobility and off-road capability while reducing the GVWR. The entire vehicle body is hardened to withstand numerous strikes from light machine guns and high-powered rifles. This vehicle's 6.7-liter V8 diesel engine produces 330 horsepower and 1,118 pound-feet of torque. Individual bucket seats, benches, and jump seats are just a few of the options available for the Guardian's interior. To keep people adequately restrained during high-speed maneuvers, a seat restraint system can also be added. A built-in run-flat and bead lock system is also included in the high-capacity wheel and tire assembly. Number 4. IBERO SMV-20. The IBERO SMV-20 is a sub-10-ton 4x4 armored vehicle built by Spain's TSD on a Unimog chassis. Technology and security developments. The SMV-20 incorporates NATO Standardization Agreement (STANAG 4569 Level 1) protection for the occupants and has a GVW of 9.5 tons. It can accommodate up to 12 people. Of fairly standard 3-door construction, with the driver and commander sitting behind the engine and up to 6 soldiers or police officers sitting in the rear compartment. A 4-cylinder MB 4.8-liter Euro 3 or Euro 5 diesel engine with locking differentials and full-time 4x4 traction produces 218 horsepower when connected to an Allison automatic transmission. The SMV-20's top speed is not specified, but its operational range is listed at 800 kilometers and it has a step clearance of 500 millimeters. Trench clearance of 900 millimeters, a maximum gradability of 60%, and side slope clearance of 30%. Number 5. STORMRIDER 4x4 PLASAN. The new STORMRIDER 4x4 light armored vehicle from the Israeli company PLASAN, an advancement of the Sandcat line of 4x4 light armored vehicles, was unveiled. The STORMRIDER and Sandcat both have strong, reliable, and durable motors, but in the STORMRIDER, these features are combined into a brand new monocoque kitted hull along with the full-time 4-wheel drive transfer system and heavy-duty independent suspension. A full team of 10 people may be transported anywhere they need to go on board the new STORMRIDER, and they can return home safely thanks to its presence, space, protection, mobility, and payload. With a variety of PLASAN innovations built into the system, STORMRIDER was created from the ground up to provide blast protection. The occupants are kept safe and comfortable by the blast-deflecting 3D V-shaped belly, floating floors, T-bar footpads, and Terra energy-absorbing seats. The vehicle is among the heaviest in the 4x4 class, weighing 11.5 tons total. The Ford F-350 platform, from which the V8 engine and 240 kilowatt drive power also stems, served as the basis for the chassis. Number 6. BATT UMG. The BATT UMG routinely comes with military-grade communications and surveillance equipment, making it mission-ready. The BATT UMG supports a wide range of mission types and is frequently used by special forces, police enforcement, homeland security, border patrol, and other armed engagements. The BATT UMG is also capable of serving as an armored medical facility, a command and control center, a troop transport vehicle, and a VIP transport vehicle. High blast protection is incorporated by the BATT UMG in the small APC size class. The additional 6,000 pounds of payload capability provided by an internal custom axle design means that our BATT can support the weight of the required additional armoring. In its typical design, an armored automobile can hold 10 people, equipped with a 6-speed automated transmission and a turbocharged V8 diesel engine. Number 7. NISR MRAP STREIT Group. The NISR was created primarily for use as an APC. It can accommodate a total of 10 military troops, including a 2-person crew, the driver and commander, and 8 infantrymen in a 2+2+6 seat arrangement. The one-man manual turret of the NISR can be equipped with a 40mm automatic grenade launcher or a machine gun with a maximum caliber of 12.7mm. The turret can turn 360 degrees. It may also be equipped with an RWS remote weapons station. Under the center of the hull and the wheels, the NISR provides standard protection of STANAG 4569 Level 3 against the fire of small guns, 7.6251mm AP armor-piercing caliber, and a blast explosion of 8 kilograms of TNT. It may be outfitted with add-on armor to achieve STANAG 4569 Level 4 maximum protection against a 14.5mm machine gun and 10 kilograms of TNT under the hull and wheels. The Cummins ISLE 8.9 diesel engine that powers the NISR produces 450 horsepower and allows for great speed on the road as well as high levels of mobility on any terrain. It can hold 500 liters of fuel. Number 8. ADDAX MRAP MINERVA Special Purpose Vehicles. Mine blasts and ambushes are specifically intended to be withstood by the Mine-Resistant Ambush-Protected Vehicle, MRAP. The MRAP combines tactical mobility, internal capacity, and survivability. The car uses a 4-wheel independent suspension system to achieve greater mobility, agility, handling, and ride quality. The MRAP variants may carry out a wide range of duties including scout, infantry people carrier, reconnaissance, command, and recovery, with modest customer-required modifications and the right equipment. Superior off-road capability is made possible by the V-shaped hull design, high ground clearance, and sharp turning circle. To ensure that it can handle the weight of the vehicle and payload when fully loaded on any surface, the vehicle has undergone extensive testing. Number 9. Patriot 2 Excalibur Army. A medium-class armored fighting vehicle for a variety of duties, the Patriot 2 can carry up to 8 personnel. Patriot 2 measures 6.25 meters in length, 2.55 meters in breadth, and 2.8 meters in height. The vehicle can carry a maximum of 17 tons in combat. The protected mobility vehicle can hold 6 soldiers, the driver, and commander. The mine-resistant ambush-protected class vehicle provides Level 3 mine and STANAG Level 4 ballistic protection. Its anti-explosion seats and hull bottom are built to lessen the effects of a possible explosion under the floor. Patriot 2's powertrain is made up of an automatic transmission system and an air-cooled Tatra T3C 92890 engine that complies with Euro 3. The engine progresses a maximum power production of 300 kilowatts. Number 10. Gerlach. Zetor Gerlach is a new generation armored tactical vehicle designed by Zetor Engineering Slovakia. It makes use of multi-layer components to better protect the car's occupants and itself. The ATV is 5.65 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 2.5 meters high. It does have a typical design with the crew cab in the middle, the power pack up front, and the cargo area at the back. A two-piece windscreen provides protection for the forward crew cab. For occupant entry and egress, there are two doors installed on either side of the hull. The car is powered by an MTU 6-cylinder engine with a maximum torque of 1,300 Nm and a rated output of 240 kilowatts. The engine is connected to a 6-speed automated transmission to deliver maximum power at various speeds. The Zetor Gerlach vehicle has a maximum cruising range of 800 kilometers and a top road speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Number 11. AJBAN 447A. The AJBAN 447A multi-role armored vehicles are designed for use in a wide range of specialist military roles. They offer high levels of survivability, mobility, and firepower. The vehicles offer a modular design based on a conventional powertrain layout with scalable levels of ballistic, mine blast, and IED protection. No matter how arduous the terrain, its independent suspension system makes every ride comfortable. The AJBAN 447A can reach a maximum speed of 120 km per hour, climb a 60% slope, cross a 0.7 meters trench, and overcome a 0.4 meter step and ford a river up to 1 meter deep. The vehicle is fitted with 4 side doors, the crew one being hinged at the front while the passengers one is hinged at the rear. Number 12. INKAS Superior. INKAS Armored Vehicle Manufacturing, a Canadian producer of special-purpose vehicles, has created a new multi-mission armored vehicle called the INKAS Superior Armored Personnel Carrier Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle. Naturally, it has 4-wheel drive, and its 330 horsepower, 246 kilowatts, and 950 pound-feet, 1,288 Nm torque are provided by an international inline-6 diesel. Although it's not much for something this little, the Superior can reach a top speed of 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour. The special-purpose vehicle has a roof-mounted turret hatch that may be equipped with a high-powered machine gun caliber 7.62 millimeters. Additionally, it has specialized weapon mounts on the hull that can be equipped with additional guns to increase the vehicle's firepower.